Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will show you how you can unpause your location right there in your Life360. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel if you have already done so. Thank you so much for that. And now we will simply start our video. If you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your 360 app. Make sure you have updated your app recently. Once the app is open right there, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this settings icon that will be on your top left corner of your mobile phone. If you do that, you will be able to find this kind of menu option appearing right in your mobile phone. So what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on this location sharing option on the third, and now you will see this location sharing option. So if you go ahead, turn this on, then your location will simply be unpaused from location sharing. So for you to pause and unpause, this way you can do it. You can come over here and you can simply turn this off if you want to pause, and if by default it's turned off right there, you can simply go ahead and turn it on and unpause this location sharing right there in Life360. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. This is the very easy way for you to, if you want to do it, simply come to your app and do it like that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.